Hello guys, today we continue our journey on creating the checklister project in Laravel, and I'm getting used to the rhythm that I publish a new video, a new episode of checklister every second day on YouTube, and on my Teachable course, I publish them every day. So if you want to get the lessons faster, go to laraveldaily.teachable.com. You can purchase the course, or you can purchase yearly membership, and then you get those lessons faster. And today we will work on the welcome page, which will be accessible from the top right corner as Get Consultation page, and Logout will be also moved here, and whenever you register, fill the form and you will immediately land on the welcome page. Let's go. The next step in our checklister project is we finally switch from the admin area to the user area, and registration works like this. It comes default from Laravel UI and Core UI theme on top, so when someone registers, they are on the dashboard. So /home, which is also default thing from Laravel UI, there's a dashboard page, and we need to transform that to welcome page. So in the original task, the client said that there should be a welcome page, which we do have already. In the database, in the pages database table, have this. So we need to redirect to some kind of page which would show this content, and also this welcome page should be shown as a question mark on top right corner. So step by step what we do. First, let's create a page controller which will show all the pages. So we go PHP Artisan, make controller, and this time it's not an admin controller anymore, just controller, so page controller. And inside of that page controller, let's create a function called show page controller. Oh, we do have page controller without admin, okay. So public function show, or actually let's create a separate method called welcome. Since we have only two pages, welcome and get consultation, maybe in the future we will have more, but then we will redo the same pages system to be more flexible. But for now, let's kind of hard code that. Page from find or fail by ID 1, which is welcome page, and return view page compact page, like this. Let's create that view, delete that request, and that view is similar to home blade, which already exists, so resources views home blade. Let's save that as page blade, and let's change that to call md12, and instead of dashboard we will have page title, so page title, and here this one is not needed, and in here we'll have page content, but with a different syntax. So we need to show the HTML here, like this. And in the routes web, we define that page inside of that middleware auth, but outside of prefix admin. So admin is one group, but also we have route get welcome to the page controller, and let's choose the right one. Not the admin page controller, but simple page controller, and method welcome with name welcome, like this. And let's try it out. /welcome should show something to us. /welcome. We have the text from the database. Some bold text is the same as in the database. We have this one. Good. Now we need to change the automatic redirect after registration. And in Laravel UI, which we started with in register controller, there's a property redirect to, which actually leads to route service provider home constant, which is /home. So let's change that to welcome, and let's try to register. Log out, register, fake filler Chrome extension to register, and we are on welcome page. Great. And now we can safely delete the home controller at all. So in the routes web, this one is not needed anymore. And also the whole home controller is not needed anymore. We delete that from the project. Let's try that again if we didn't break anything. So log out, register, register, route home not defined. Oh, because we've left that in the sidebar. We actually need to remove that from the sidebar at all. So home, let's see, where's the dashboard? We don't need the dashboard link. Let's remove that altogether. Refresh, and for now our user doesn't have any data or any functions except for logout. And now finally we need to take care of that question mark, which would lead to welcome page whenever they want to read that. And here we'll take care of the whole top right menu, which is a mess now. So let's clean it up with some core UI icons. So currently in the app blade PHP, we have this mess. So we have the link for the bell, which doesn't really do anything. So let's delete that one. We have the link for list rich. What does that mean? So this one, actually we need the question mark, and the closest I found for that in the free icon set of core UI is this, settings. So there's no question mark icon for free. You may purchase the core UI Pro, core UI Premium. I'm not affiliated with that in any means, but for the free I will use settings. So CIL settings, and you need to copy that into this part. So CIL settings, and the link will be to route welcome. Like this. Let's make it more readable like this, and like this, and like this. Now we need to delete another one, and here we have a drop down for avatar, for user, which doesn't exist, doesn't really load because we don't have that image. Because we don't have that avatar image. And here let's change that one to another icon of just user icon. So instead of doing all of that C avatar something, let's put another icon of CIL user, which I also found in the free repository of icons. And let's see how it works now, how it looks actually. We have this one, and it should redirect to welcome. Great. And here we have a drop down of various things that you can do with account. And actually what we need here is logout. So let's move this logout to top right section. So that account drop down item actually in the app blade PHP looks like this. So drop down header account, and we should leave that probably. But then we don't need that link. We just need the link of logout. And let's leave just the logout link, this one. Class drop-down item. Let's refresh and see how it looks. So we have logout, great. And instead of just link logout, we need to copy that and paste from the sidebar PHP. First, we need to have a hidden form here to the logout because it's a post request. Then we need to have this submit. So instead of this, we cut and paste this one. And I think that may be enough actually. Let's try it out. Refresh, no error. We click logout, and we are logged out. Great. If we register again and register, okay, great, that works. Final thing, what I've noticed in the original task is get consultation. So there should be some kind of a link here to another page that we do have in the database. Get consultation. So let's add that as another method in the page controller. Where do we have the page controller? So welcome will be almost identical. Consultation. Find or fail to get consultation page. Then in the routes in the web PHP, we have another route to consultation. To page controller consultation. And name consultation like this. And here on top we need to have some kind of a link, and let's see how it would look just with header nav item here without drop down class. Not sure. So some class C header nav link get consultation. To the link of route consultation. Like this. Let's see how it looks. Refresh the page and we have get consultation. Great, that's exactly what we needed, and it shows the page that we needed. So that's it for this lesson.